alas 5 ng umaga. One decision. Isang pindot lang na bago na ang takbo ng araw mo. One decision that starts it all. Kasagaran tungod sa usa ka sentence nga pirmi na tumasulti, ugma na lang, later na lang, humanon lang nakuunya. Anak, kanang usa ka desisyon kung balik-balikon matag adlaw nahimo na siyang habit. A cycle of stress that builds up, one snooze at a time. Hangtod nga ulahin na ang tanan. Maayong adlaw anak, kabalo ba ka nga nung daghan kaayong students ang dili makaabot sa ilang mga damgo? Dili tungod kay kulang sila og talento. Dili pud tungod kay dili sila bright. Kasagaran, tungod ni sa atong mga habit. Tan-awa ning bridge, wala ni kalit nga mitunga, nagsugod lang ni sa usa ka survey point, usa ka gamay nga buhat nga gibalik-balik hangtod na himong usa ka dakong tulay, maupod na ang imong kinabuhi. Dili ka mahimong engineer overnight. Mahimo kang engineer one page at a time, one solved problem, one good habit, one day at a time. Success is built column by column, day by day. People admire the finished bridge, but nobody counts the thousands of bolts, the hundreds of beams, the months of unseen work. People will admire your success, pero ikaw lang ang nakakaalam ng mga habits na nag-build nito. The deck exists because every previous step was completed with discipline. Ang graduation, it's just the visible result of thousands of invisible habits. You don't just get a degree, you build it. One study habit at a time. Anak, kung ang usa ka tulay matukod pinaagi sa gagmay nga trabaho matag adlaw, ngano man diay dili pud nimo matukod ang imong kaugalingong kaugmaon. Reading today, building tomorrow. Proud si Ma'am Q sa imo. Kayang-kaya mo yan. Karon, tunan nato ang blueprint sa Atomic Habits. Yun sa pag-build ang imong career, one habit at a time. Extraordinary results come from ordinary actions, repeated consistently. One study session, one quiz, 1% better every day. By the end of the year, you are 37 times better than Kapin. That is the power of Atomic Habits. Everyday progress leads to massive growth. Aniya ang imong blueprint challenge, anak, read 5 pages, solve one engineering problem, wake up 30 minutes earlier, organize your desk, never miss 2 days in a row, small habits, repeated consistently. A bridge is never built in a single day, neither is a great engineer, survey by survey, beam by beam, habit by habit, building the engineer one habit at a time.